Open up Play Store, go to the search bar and type in GR Music. If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. And then scroll down and click download where it says Player GR Music Unlimited. You may have to enter your account details, but once it's loading and downloading, and then click open. You can choose to have the app to track, but I'm going to say not track. So you have a couple options here. You have the import option. You can import from all of these different things. You have a library tab, the search tab, lists, settings, etc. Under the search, you can also see what's trending. These are all the things that people are searching for, and it's appearing as trending. Or you can type in something in the search bar. You have a list of videos or options to pick, so just pick one. And if you're happy with your choice, you can scroll down or click down and click the three icons right there. Then you can add it to your favorites, or you can add and create it to a playlist. Now go under to your playlist or where you save the song. And as you can see, I'm currently playing this when we have Wi-Fi. Now let's turn off the Wi-Fi. I'm on airplane mode, so I'm playing this offline. Go back to the list.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.